my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'll be doing a Halloween makeup. I look really fine right now because I already did my eyebrows and concealer off camera and put my lashes on. So if you guys want to see how I do my makeup for Halloween, and if you guys want to see what I'm wearing, then just keep on watching this video, and we're just gonna jump straight into it because I have somebody waiting on me to go to a costume party. So I'm just gonna try to make this video real fast for you all. So first thing I got is I went to Spirit Halloween, and I got this like costume, navy girl. I'll show y'all a picture of me off Instagram. Okay, so I have like the fake scars and some demon blood, and then some spirit gum, and then spirit remover when I'm ready to take it off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just glue this onto my face, and then I'm gonna start doing my makeup. And then we'll start doing my makeup like normal. So let me take this out of here. Y'all, I'm like really rushing. Like I don't even, I'm behind because of the simple fact that I was looking for my my stand to use to do my makeup with, and I just couldn't find it. Like, how could something just go missing and you already know where you had that, but now it's not there anymore? It just don't make sense to me. So this is how it looks out the package. This is how the spirit gum look. Lord, brush. Okay, so I just put the spirit gum on here like that, and then I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Ugh, it feels so nasty. Okay, there it is. There it is. I feel like I need some more glue, but it's sticking. So okay, I think I need some more glue. Put some more glue on it. When I tell y'all I hate rushing, wait. Ooh, that's stuff for real. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got the scab on. So now I'm about to just put my makeup on like normal. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm gonna just okay, so I got the foundation on. I'm gonna do concealer. Okay, I'm done my makeup, so now I'm about to put this demon blood on my scar right here. It kind of looked like dark grape juice. Let's see. Oh, it dropped on my chest. Is that enough blood? I'm gonna leave that. I ain't gonna do too much. I ain't gonna do no more. Okay, so you guys, this is the end result of this video. This is how I did my makeup and the fake scar and everything for Halloween. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Follow me on my social media. Subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys for watching this video. I enjoyed making this real fast. And yes, if you guys like my makeup and the fake scar and stuff, just comment down below, like this video up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.